What's the next step? That's kind of funny. Hey, the next step is whatever you want it to be. I'll kind of clean that out and dig that out, get this ready to be installed, and then dig out the high spot there. And what could my next step be? I think my next step's going to be dig out a little bit more around that. Granted, I don't have to dig out much of the stuff on the back side of that just yet. As long as I can pull this forward, I can get this loose enough so I can reach in there and carefully and comfortably cut off these two with my drywall knife. And see, you take a drywall knife on the grooves, and that's not very thick right there. You just cut that. I don't have a really super sharp drywall knife. I could change it, but I'm gonna opt not to change it just yet. I may change it later, but you know, it's not the sharpest, but it'll cut that. It'll be just fine. Okay, so I guess, hey, one way or another, I got to get it all done. So I'll just concentrate on cutting this next.